The formula for the area of circle is pi r squared. Let's see an example question. The area of a circle is 75.46 cm squared. Calculate the radius. And the question asks you to use the pi equals to 22/7. Okay, first is given that area is 75.46, and we know that the formula for the area is pi r squared. So pi r squared is equals to 75.46, and pi is 22/7. So 22/7 multiplied with r squared equals to 75.46. And r squared is equals to 75.46 divide 22/7, which is equals to multiply 7/22. And you can use your calculator to calculate, which is equals to 24.01. And r equals to the square root of 24.01, which is equals to 4.9 cm.